Afternoon, my name is Jack Weir. I'm with Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. Beautiful place to do business. Guarantee's been here forever. Family-owned business, one of the best service facilities you can find. We really pride ourselves on our service after the sale. So having that in mind, I wanted to show you today the Winnebago 26-foot Intent. It's a quality coach for the entry-level buyer. 26 feet gives you plenty of maneuverability in town. This, coupled with all of the amenities, makes this one of the best entry-level vehicles available. You have plenty of basement storage. This one even comes equipped with outside TV, refrigerator, and shelving to put your cooktop on. Great party vehicle. Great travel vehicle, great leisure vehicle. You have the Onan 4.0 generator, so your dry camping needs are taken care of. You can go a couple, 3, 4, 5 days, piece of cake out in the middle of nowhere. You have your 30 amp hookup, and you have 2 LP tanks. This can be extended to 4 LP tanks if you choose, which gives you a longer staying ability out there in the middle of nowhere. All right, on the inside you do have full swivel seats in the front, nice cockpit, nice information center. You do have a rear view camera, and you got the overhead bunk. This is electric, so it will come down. Piece of cake on that, really quiet. Overhead storage, you have a booth dinette, and you have your TV right here. Now the booth dinette will move into a sleeping configuration, so you got some kids with you, whatever. You got a 2 stainless sink on the kitchen, 3 burner cooktop, oven, and microwave. Plenty of storage under the sink, and full extension drawers. Moving back, you've got your refrigerator freezer, nice brushed stainless, shower, and it does have the dome on top, so it doesn't matter how tall you are, you're going to fit in the shower and have a good experience in that. You have your lav over here, and the door does come across just like that to give you privacy if you wish to have it that way. You also have a curtain that will come across and give you privacy also. Now in the bedroom, you've got your television right there, which makes it really, really nice. You have your slide out queen size bed. Lots of room back here. You've got LED surface lights, smoke detectors, vents, fantastic fans, all kinds of nice stuff. You've got your air conditioner. This is an experience, especially for you first timers out there. You'll love it. It's whether you're going to Sturgis or Mardi Gras, it's going to be a great time for you. My name is Jack Weir. I'm with Guarantee RV. If you've got any further questions, you can call me at 541-654-1820 or email me at jack.weir@guarantee.com. Thank you very much for your time.